Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some great news. Here's a step every Samsung Galaxy owner should take if you're interested in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy smartphones. As you know, on August the 11th, Samsung is going to release some industry-changing smartphones. They're going to release the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. They're going to release the Samsung Galaxy Flip 2. These phones are going to have 120 Hz refresh rate. The Fold 3, the foldable large phone, is going to have the S Pen support. It's going to be an insane product. So what Samsung is doing right now, they have this reservation campaign going on. If you click the link down below in the top pinned comment or the description box, it's going to take you to Samsung's website. And if you simply give your name and your email, you get locked in for some insane deals. Number one, you're going to get highest trade-in values possible if you trade in a phone and get one of these new guys. And on top of that, they're giving you $100 extra towards the trade-in just for reserving. That's crazy. Just for giving your name and email, you're getting $100 extra towards your trade-in. So if you have an S21 Ultra and you trade that phone in for $700, which could be what they give you, you're getting $100 on top of that, making that $800 trade-in. They're also giving you 12 months of Samsung Care Plus, which normally you have to pay $155 to purchase. And number three, they're giving you some special gifts. And all this is happening for simply reserving the phone. So I think everybody that owns a Samsung phone right now should do it anyway to have that leverage, to lock in to the savings. If you don't end up buying the phone, no big deal. All you gave was your email and your name. But if you end up buying the phone, you're getting all those discounts and crazy deals. And remember, if you don't reserve and then you decide to buy the phone anyway, then you're losing out on this deal. So click the link down below. Reserve access to these crazy discounts, and of course make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know which phone you want to buy. Do you want the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 or the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3? Remember, the Fold 3 is going to have the S Pen support. The Flip 2 most likely is not going to have that support. Plus it's a smaller phone, so the decision might lie in the form factor. Do you want a larger phone or do you want a tiny little thing that can go into your pocket? It can just flip and close and go in your pocket, as opposed to a slightly larger phone that can open up to even be a tablet. So drop a comment down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. And of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, also let me know down below.